back flat, bar bouncing off your chest. If that sounds familiar, you're not just missing gains, you're slowly wrecking your shoulders. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your bench press from a risky move into a powerhouse chest builder. Common mistakes. First, let's talk about the mistakes nearly everyone makes. Elbows flaring out at 90 degrees. Feet dancing around or lifted in the air. Lower back completely flat, no arch. Bar drifting too high toward the neck. Bouncing the bar off the chest. These errors don't just limit strength. They put unnecessary stress on your shoulders and wrists. Imagine trying to build a skyscraper on a shaky foundation. That's what these mistakes do to your bench press. Building curiosity. So what's the fix? The truth is, it's not about pushing the bar up. It's about turning your entire body into a solid platform, so the bar moves efficiently. Before we dive in, let me ask, when was the last time you thought about your feet during bench press? Strange, right? But they might just be the missing piece. Step 1. Foundation and setup. Feet planted firmly, driving into the ground. Think of your legs as anchors. If your feet move, your strength leaks out. Back arch. Not exaggerated, but a natural, strong arch. This isn't gymnastics. It's creating space so your chest is the high point, not your shoulders. Shoulder blades. Pinch them back and down. Imagine tucking them into your back pockets. Step 2. Hand and bar position. Grip. Slightly wider than shoulder width. Wrists stacked directly above elbows. Bar path. Controlled descent to the mid-chest, not the neck. Wrong path means wasted power. The right path is like sliding a drawer straight in and out, smooth and controlled. Step 3. Execution and breathing. Lowering the bar. Slow, under control, elbows at about 45 degrees. Pressing up. Drive through your heels, engage your core. Push bar slightly back toward the rack. Breathing. Inhale on the way down, exhale with power as you press. Your breath is your hidden weapon, like tightening a seatbelt before impact. Advanced tweaks. Use leg drive to stabilize and add force. Micro-adjust grip width for chest versus triceps emphasis. Add a pause at the bottom to eliminate momentum and build true strength. Recap and challenge. So let's recap. Feet planted, back arched, shoulders locked in, bar path straight to mid-chest, and controlled breathing. That's the difference between just moving weight and actually building strength safely. Here's your challenge. Next time you hit the gym, perform 10 flawless reps exactly as I showed you. Feel how much more powerful and stable you are, and notice how your shoulders thank you later. Closing motivation. The bench press isn't just an ego lift, it's a skill. Master it, and you'll unlock serious strength and chest growth. Keep practicing, keep refining, and remember, every rep is a chance to perfect your craft.